on the 22nd of May, the world will celebrate this very important occasion. It's so historical that on this day we are celebrating it in Gibeon. So it will be written in history of the Republic of Namibia that 2023 Biodiversity Day was celebrated in Gibeon. Can we give ourselves a hand? The day is commemorated. However, in Namibia, where we are commemorating it, as I've said already, today, and the theme for this year is International Day for Biological Diversity, and is from agreement to action, build back biodiversity.
I see a group of people who are all here for the same reason. They want to keep and protect the rich diversity of life on our world, from policymakers to scientists to community leaders to environmental activists. Each of you plays a key part in building a sustainable future for everyone. As we meet today under the theme, From Agreement to Action, Building Back Biodiversity, we agreed that it's no longer enough to just talk and agree on things. Now is the time for real change that can be seen.
The commemoration of the International Day for Biological Diversity was attended by various environmentalists, line ministry members, and residents of the Gibeon village and the surrounding areas of the Hardap region.